Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to translate selected text with DeepL extension. So before you start, you will need to make sure that you have installed the DeepL translator extension on your browser, like on Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge or Firefox. So to do that, you will need just to go right here on the extension tab and make sure that you have it. So click it and click on manage extensions right here and look for DeepL. If you don't have DeepL extension, just go with Chrome Web Store right here on the left hand menu and then look for DeepL. Okay, and then just add it to your Chrome. And now you will need to open any web page with text. So let me go and type article, for example. Let's go with a random one. So all you need to do here is to highlight the text that you want to translate. Okay, and after selecting, you will see a small DeepL icon. Okay, so if you can't see it, you will need just to right click it and then go with DeepL that you can find right here. So let's say that you can't visualize it. All you need to do is to go back to the extensions tab and then just turn it on. Okay, and now as you can see, when you select the text, you will just right click it and then go with the DeepL translate and write with AI. Okay, so now go with translate selected text. And then you will be able to see that or these options below. So just go with improve with DeepL or translate with DeepL. Okay, and then let's say that I want to translate it to French, so just go ahead with the target language right here and click on French. Okay, and it will be translated, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.